In a brightly lit modern laboratory, Dr. Anna Reed passionately introduces Pet Connect, a device promising to bridge the gap between pets and their owners, to a team of intrigued yet skeptical scientists. With fervent enthusiasm, Anna expounds on Pet Connect capabilities, emphasizing its potential to soothe pet separation anxiety and revolutionize pet care. The team, though intrigued by the novel concept, maintains a cautious skepticism, their expressions reflecting a blend of curiosity and doubt about the device's practicality. Bathed in the warm glow of the afternoon sun, Sarah's focused concentration is shattered by the sudden ring of her phone, promising an unexpected connection. Curiosity piqued, Sarah answers a video call from Pet Connect, unaware of the delightful chaos about to unfold. Buddy, in a moment of pure, unbridled enthusiasm, accidentally unleashes a symphony of destruction, turning a simple video call into a comedic spectacle. Amidst the delightful chaos, Sarah laughs, touched by Buddy's earnest, albeit clumsy, attempt to bridge the gap between species. Inside the veterinarian's office, a montage unfolds, showcasing the whimsical world of Pet Connect, where every call is an unpredictable adventure. Cleo, the cat, steals the show with an accidental of her tongue, leaving her owner in fits of laughter. Rico, the parrot, transforms into a stand-up comedian, hilariously mimicking human speech and turning everyday phrases into comedic gold. Hammy, the hamster, turns his daily exercise into a dizzying spectacle, creating a mesmerizing video that leaves viewers in awe. These moments capture the comical and unpredictable nature of pet communication. In the stillness of Sarah's apartment, Buddy's forlorn gaze is fixed on the Pet Connect device, a silent plea for connection. With a gentle press, the screen flickers to life, and Sarah's familiar voice fills the room, bridging the distance between them. Sarah's soothing voice washes over him as she reads a bedtime story, a testament to the power of technology in nurturing their unbreakable bond. In the radiant embrace of the park, Sarah and Buddy revel in a lively game of fetch, bathed in the sun's golden glow. A digital connection sparks joy as Sarah answers a video call, revealing Max's tail-wagging enthusiasm on her phone's screen. Buddy's excited barks echo through the air as he and Max greet each other across digital distances, showcasing the technology's heartwarming potential. Sarah's smile embodies the profound impact of technology, as she envisions a future where pets and their owners connect in unprecedented ways.